Today I show you how to subscribe to a YouTube channel and receive all the notifications from that YouTube channel. I show you how to do this on the Android YouTube app, but this you can do it the same way on the desktop or on iPhone or on any other device where you can install the YouTube app. First you need to have the YouTube app, and that's the YouTube here. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Google Play Store, and you open the YouTube app and you find the video that you might like. If there is a video you might enjoy watching, for example, how it's made videos here, you tap, I don't know if you noticed that, but here you find in the home feed, you will find the name of the channel, so you can watch the video and you can have the name of the channel. I will make the volume lower so you don't hear it. And you can also, actually you can play the video. So I like watching these videos, and you can play the video, and from the channel page here, as you play the video, you have the subscribe button right there, and I will tap the subscribe. And after you subscribe, you have this bell icon. So if the subscribe button is missing, you're already subscribed to it, or you're not logged in. If you can't subscribe to a channel, you need to log in first in your YouTube account. And then on this bell icon, once you press on the bell icon, you can choose, the default is personalized. You will get the notifications which are most relevant to you. I suggest most people should have only like this, not all. Most people should only have personalized, don't need to put all the notifications. But if you want to receive all the notifications from a channel, you can tap on all and you get all notifications for this channel. Whenever they upload a new video, you will get a notification in your phone if you have the notifications enabled for the YouTube app, for sure. And I show you also how you can do this from the subscription feed. Here I went to, this is one of my channels here, and this is with the knots and Swiss Army knives. So the same way on the channel page, while you're watching the video, you have the subscribe button here. This is one of my videos on the other channel. I suggest you subscribe to it. Soon I might start uploading some new videos there also. There also you have the name of the channel, and you can subscribe from here, but you can also press on the channel name, and then you go to the home page of that channel. And this is my channel here. It's just for demonstration, but you could see something interesting if you wanted to see more videos. And there are also, these are our channels here. We have different videos here. Okay, so to subscribe to this channel, you have a big subscribe button here on the home page of the channel. If you're on the videos tab, you will still see it. It's always there. It's always showing the subscribe button, and you press on subscribe and it even gives you some animation. It says subscription added. And here you see that you are subscribed, and you can press on this arrow, and then you get the same kind of menu for personalized, all, and none. And I can choose all. Now I get notified whenever this channel and the science channel uploads a new video. This is just a demonstration, but I suggest you check out my channel about pocket knives and knots and different things. I hope this helps you. This is how you subscribe to YouTube channels. You have to be logged into your account. So if you see here so if I press on when you press on here, you should be able to see your channel name. So this is the channel, the user, I'm logged in now, and you can actually switch an account. If it's not the right account, you can switch an account, and you can also sign in. If you're not signed in, you will not have your username here, you will not see that, and you can sign in to your Google account, and then to show your YouTube account. If you need to make comments, you need to have a YouTube account added to your Google account. Everything is related to your Google account. So if you have a Google account on the phone, it's going to be taking that Google account from the phone settings directly. I hope this helps you. Let me know in the comment section below if you subscribe to channels, or if you browse YouTube without being logged in, or if you are logged in. And if you subscribe to channels, what you prefer, to subscribe to many channels and watch sometimes some videos, or subscribe and watch every video. It all depends on you. There are some people like to watch all the videos, some people like to watch just a few videos. It's normal, everyone is different, so it's all fine. Especially on this channel, I upload many videos which are different subjects, so someone interested in cars, they might not be interested in the phone videos, and someone interested in the phone videos might not be interested in the cars. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. That's how you do it. It's really easy.